What's up, guys? It's me, Atlas, and today we're doing a quick little blind bag unboxing. We're doing it really quick because there's just one. And it's called Marvel Venom, and there's 9 to collect. And here's the ones that you can collect. Venom, Space Knight, Venom, Agent Venom, Spider Carnage or something, Carnage, Anti-Venom Carnage, Venusaur, Venomsaur, and Chase character. And here's the ones that I want. Venom, Space Knight, and I want the Agent Venom. Okay, here we go. Oh, I think I got the Chase character. Holy, it's glow in the dark. It's white. There's nothing that's white on here. Or I got Venom. Is it Venom? Wait, let me check. Or is it Anti-Venom? Looks like Chase character. Yeah, it looks like the Chase character. Holy! Do you think this looks like the Chase character over here? Because it has the same pose? It's the Chase character. It's so rare. It's so rare. It's so rare. It's the one that I literally wanted. Well, I didn't say that, but I really wanted the Chase character. Oh, I didn't expecting that. That's why I didn't say that. I never got a Chase character on my YouTube channel yet. It does not look like Anti-Venom at all. It has black on it, and this doesn't have any black. Oh! I'm shocked. I'm shocked. I'm shocked. It's the concept rare. It's the Venom, Marvel Venom. And I got a Chase character. And here what it looks like. Wait, let me get the bag so you can look like if you tell me if it's the Chase character or not. Because you see that mystery one over here? Or whatever, yeah, over here. Do you see the same pose? That's why I think it's a Chase character. Yeah, I'm really excited. Huh, does it glow in the dark? I have so many questions. Does it glow in the dark? I'm not sure. It doesn't say, but anyways, I'm gonna buy more of these Marvel Venom series, and it's series 1. I'm gonna buy more of those, and let's see how many Chase characters I can get. Anyways, okay, make sure to like this video and subscribe. See you later. Bye.